In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer payments in QuickBooks Online. Recording payments correctly is key to keeping your books accurate and up to date. So let's walk through the entire process together, step by step, right inside QuickBooks Online. First, we need to start a new payment. From your QuickBooks Online homepage, look for the New button, usually at the top left or in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Receive Payment. This tells QuickBooks that a customer is giving you money to pay off one or more invoices. Now we're in the Receive Payment screen, and this is where we'll enter the customer and payment details. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Received From or Customer. Open that dropdown and select the customer who is making the payment. Make sure you pick the right customer so the payment gets applied to the correct account. Next, set the payment date. This should be the date you actually received the money, not necessarily the date you're entering it. Using the correct date helps your reports and aging summaries stay accurate. Then, choose the payment method from the Payment Method dropdown. You can select options like cash, check, or credit card. If the customer paid by check, you'll also see a field labeled Reference No, or something similar. Type the check number there so you can easily match this payment to your bank records later. Now let's apply the payment to the right invoices. In the Outstanding Transactions section, you'll see a list of open invoices for that customer. Check the box next to each invoice the customer is paying. QuickBooks will automatically fill in the amounts based on what's due. If this is a partial payment, and they're not paying the full balance of an invoice, you can adjust the amount in the Amount Received or Payment column for that specific invoice. Just type in the exact amount the customer is paying toward that invoice. QuickBooks will keep track of what's still outstanding. Before we save, we need to tell QuickBooks where this money is going. Look for the Deposit to dropdown. Here, you can choose the bank account where the funds are going directly, or select Undeposited Funds if you plan to group several payments together before making a single bank deposit. Many businesses use undeposited funds when they batch deposits, so their QuickBooks deposits match what appears on their bank statement. Once everything looks correct, you're ready to save. At the bottom, you can click Save and Close to record the payment and exit the form, or Save and New if you want to immediately enter another customer payment. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a customer payment in QuickBooks Online.